Welcome to the bulletin. There was fear and tension after bones believed to be those of human beings were discovered in Karai, Kiambu County. The bones were found in an open field near a source of water serving residents. According to the residents, there have been many cases of people drowning in dams located in the area and which they say police have never addressed. Police arrived in the area and collected the bones, pledging to investigate and take appropriate action. The residents on their part are now asking the government to ensure the dams were secured.
Reported human bones that were discovered within this area. Police visited the scene and established that indeed the skeleton or the bones resembled of those of human beings who had either met his fate there or had drowned. Analysis have indicated that those bones have been there for more than 2 years. This investigation will require further analysis, and the DCI has opined that they remove with the splint. They have taken the samples and they are now moving with them to the laboratory and conduct a further analysis. The intention of conducting further analysis is to establish the gender, specifically the gender of the person, assuming that it was a person, the apparent cause of his death, and eventually give us a feedback on the way forward.
Serikali ichunguze huku kabisa, kwa sababu kulikuwa na maji na mademu imechimbwa. Kunaweza kuwa kuna watu wako chini wamezikwa huku chini. Kumekuwa na visa za watu kujirusha kwa mademu, watu kadhaa, lakini hatujapata kesi kisha kama hii ya mtu amekutwa mahali amepatikana amekaa siku mingi akiwa amekufa.
To Busia now, where gender activists are demanding